We often hear the term identity theft. What is identity theft? How does it happen? And how to protect oneself from identity theft? In this video, we would try to understand that. Identity theft is a crime in which a criminal steals a victim's personal information and exploits that sensitive personal information to impersonate the victim for criminal purposes. Identity theft can happen in many ways. The most common form of identity theft is financial identity theft. In this type of identity theft, a criminal steals a person's identity information along with financial information to obtain credit, goods, services, or other benefits in the victim's name. For example, an attacker may steal the credit card number and other banking details of a victim and impersonate the victim to take a loan in the victim's name. Sometimes, criminals steal a victim's identity information and impersonate the victim to obtain free medical care. This type of identity theft is called medical identity theft. And sometimes, criminals steal a person's identity information and combine the stolen identity information with some fake information to create a new fake identity. After that, they use the created fake identity to open fraudulent accounts, make fraudulent purchases, or take other benefits illegitimately. This type of identity theft is called synthetic identity theft. Sometimes, criminals steal a user's personal information including social security numbers and use the stolen information to file a fraudulent tax return in the victim's name. The criminal thus collect the tax refund illegitimately for financial gain. This type of identity theft is called tax identity theft. Sometimes, a criminal uses stolen personal information to impersonate the victim at the time of the arrest. Criminals often do this to avoid arrest and conviction records or to try to avoid summons. This type of identity theft is called criminal identity theft. Criminals may also steal a child's identity information and exploit that for personal gains. For example, a criminal may steal a child's identity information and exploit that to obtain a residence, loan, employment, or other benefits. This type of identity theft is called child identity theft. How do criminals steal identity information? Criminals can use several techniques to steal the sensitive personal information of a victim. For example, they may obtain sensitive information through a data breach. They may use social engineering techniques and perpetrate phishing to obtain sensitive personal information. They may also collect personal information through social media, discarded computers, hard drives, or other documents. And sometimes, attackers use malware to infect a computer and steal sensitive personal information from the system using the malware. How to protect oneself from identity theft? Protect your online accounts with strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication wherever it is possible. Do not provide your personal information over emails or phone calls if you are unsure about the authenticity of the email or the phone call. Shred a document that contains sensitive information before discarding the document. Monitor your financial accounts often and report if you see any discrepancies. And last but not least, please take all necessary precautions to detect and prevent malware. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more can visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses, including courses for various certification exams like the CCNA, CCNP, or CompTIA. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.